Welcome to our unboxing video. Today we're having a space party. We have awesome space fact cards, space shuttle erasers, there are quite a few of them, 20 lunch napkins, some really pretty space pencils. We're going to show you at the end of this video how to assemble these space shuttle foam gliders. Gorgeous table cover, 8 dessert plates, 8 dinner plates, 8 9-ounce cups, an awesome space shuttle centerpiece, and last but not least, space party favor bags. These space shuttle foam gliders come with 3 pieces. First, you want to take this little line out of the middle of the spaceship. It just pops right out. This bottom part does have this little groove there, so that way when you push the bottom part through, you can pull it back so that groove goes right in this little part of the spaceship. Then you simply line it up. You have your little fastener. It simply slips right onto the back, right in there just so. And you're ready for takeoff.